Here's my family. My dad has come up with a crazy idea. We are going to be exploding watermelons. We have 2 watermelons. We have to put rubber bands around them. The rubber bands will make them explode. My brother and I work together. Where are his safety goggles? We don't know when the watermelons will explode. We are all very excited and a little scared. We have to put on lots and lots of rubber bands. The rubber bands squeeze the middle of the watermelons. Mom and Dad's watermelon has a lot of rubber bands on it. When will it explode? Dad sees bubbles. They are coming out of the top of our watermelon. Will ours explode soon? Mom and Dad come to help us with our watermelon. Each rubber band could be the last one. We are a little scared. Mom and Dad see something going on. We all step back. The watermelon is starting to split open. Can you see it?
I'm going to explode!
We all step away. 3, 2, 1. Boom! The watermelon explodes into the air. Wow! That was crazy. Where did all of the pieces go? We move on to Mom and Dad's watermelon. We know this one is getting close too. Mom is scared this one will explode on her. She and Dad add rubber bands quickly. Mom keeps stepping back. When will this watermelon explode? Uh-oh, something is going on. Is this it? Mom sees a split in the top of the watermelon. It has to explode soon. Dad gets one more rubber band. He plans to put it on when. Boom! The watermelon explodes into the air. We all scream. Pieces of watermelon fly everywhere. Mom is so scared. Ha 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 ha. That one went fast. We all laugh. We are surprised at how far the pieces flew. Watermelon pieces are everywhere. We have some we can eat too. That was a fun way to open a watermelon. Dad comes up with the best ideas.